I wanted to share with you guys a haul that I did today at the 99 cents only store as well as Party City, and I might be able to fit another small haul in. We'll see. So if I do, I'll be able to fit in my really small online hauls. So let's get started so I don't make this video too long. But as you guys know, I've been a little unicorn crazy, so I hope you guys aren't tired of seeing this. If you do, then I totally understand. You can go on to the next video. But I stopped in at Party City today because I saw Liz, who is Liz Russell, here on YouTube. Hi Liz. She had recently done a haul at both Party City and 99 cent only store, and they were unicorn themed, so I had to go find them. So I didn't find everything that she got, but let me show you what I did find. So at Party City, I had to get this confetti pack. So I did not see this before she showed it, but I am also working on a unicorn embellishment kit. And if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that. But this is the cutest pack of confetti, and I really got it for these die cut shapes. So I will share with you guys what's in here, because I did get 3 packs because I'm doing the kits, and I separated them out so that I can share it with you guys. And then you also get these, as well as this sequin mix. And of course, all the colors match. So these are the little die cut pieces. Hope you guys can see that are in that larger area down here. And you just get a plethora of each, and I thought they were so pretty, and they're double-sided. So won't these make some great embellishments? So here's this one, and if I can pick it up, this one. And I just think they are so pretty. This one. This one. And then this flower. And it also comes with these mixed in there as well. So you get 5 different kind of like punched out flower shapes. You get some hearts, and then like 2 different size stars in gold. So isn't that the cutest? I was so happy to find the 3 packs that I picked up today. So also at Party City, I also did find these treat bags, and it looks like they're glassine bags, and they're pretty big. It's 6.5 inches by 8 3/4, and there are 10 in here. And let me see if I can go ahead and open it. So look how cute these are, and I love the size. And right now I'm in a unicorn themed swap, and I'm actually in the process of putting together a unicorn embellishment kit. So wouldn't it be so pretty to have everything packaged up in here? So let me bring it up a little bit closer. So this is gold foiled. Sorry for that glare. And they kind of feel like glassine. I don't know if that's what it is, but I was so happy to find this. And there are 10 in here, so I have plenty to work with. Okay, I also found this confetti, and these are just iridescent stars. And I got the smaller pack. You can get like a jumbo pack that's like $6, but I just grabbed a couple of these because I do have some other star sequins, and they're just smaller than this. And they did have other colors, but I just stuck with the iridescent white just because it's, to me, very magical looking. So I got those. And And I did also find, I hope I can get this in screen, but this is wrapping paper. And look at all these cute little unicorns on here. It's hard to see because it's cut off. But the background is like this minty green. There are flowers all over the place, unicorns, as well as some other critters. So I can package up my swap in this and some Happy Mail. So I was really happy that I found that. And I think that is it from Party City. I didn't go too crazy there. So then I went down to the 99-cent only store, and let me share with you what I found there. So I found these cups. So these are just paper cups, but look how cute. And there are, I don't know how many. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 12. And, oh, right there. And I have no idea what I'm going to do with it, but since they were $1, I said I will find a way to use it. So I'm sure I can put some little candies in there and use it as Happy Mail containers. But I did pick that up. And then I also picked up these unicorn earrings. They did have other styles, mostly with just like the head of the unicorn. And then they had some really big ones that were necklaces. But because I'm doing the embellishment kit, I needed multiples of stuff. But it's like rubber. And I'm just going to cut off right here that little circle. And I picked up a few packages of this one, but they only had one of this one, and I thought it was so cute too. So this is more like a Pegasus, but super, super cute. So I did pick those up, and I did actually take one package and cut off the top so you guys can see. So wouldn't these be really, really cute, what is it, paper clips for your planners? So cute. I also found this iridescent shred. They did have other colors, but they were just a little bit too dark for what I needed it for. And I'm doing an embellishment box for my swap, so I thought this would be so pretty inside. And I do have some other, I think, more metallic or iridescent colors that I can mix it in with. Speaking of embellishment boxes, look what I found. This was, I think, in the the bath section, and I thought this was so awesome. So the main reason I got it, so it says there's 12 compartments, is I do like the size. Let me measure it for you guys. So this measures about 7 inches by 5 3/4. So you can fit quite a bit in here. And do you guys see? It's sparkly and glittery. How awesome is that? And on the inside, all of these dividers come out. So I can fit whatever size embellishments I want. And I just thought, for $1, how awesome. So I was so happy to come upon this because I thought I would have surely found it in more of like the storage section, but this was near like the bath section. If you guys are ever a 99-cent only store and looking for these. So I'll put that back later. So of course, perfect for unicorn themed. So this is what I will be using. So I did pick up 3 of those. I had to stop myself from picking all of the ones that they had there. So I just told myself if I need more, I know where to go get them. And then I was in the gift wrap section, and look what I found. It was kind of hidden. I just happened to peek down, and look how beautiful these unicorns are. Or are they unicorns? They're cows. But, I mean, they're horses. But to me, I thought they looked like unicorns. So for $1, I'll use it for some Happy Mail. So isn't that so pretty? And there's rainbows everywhere. So I picked that up. And this is actually not unicorn related, if you guys can believe it. But I found this super shabby gift wrap. And I think Sophia, who is Paper Sweets here on YouTube. Hi, Sophia. I think she had found something like this at Dollar Tree sometime like last year. And I'd never seen it at Dollar Tree, but I happened to find it when I was kind of digging through today because there wasn't a whole lot of them, but I was able to find 2 of them. So I was so happy to find this, and I don't know if the color's coming across really well, but it's this really pale, like shabby blue, and then these beautiful pink roses. So that was a great find. I think that's all that I picked up. I think so. So let me go ahead and share with you what I got online. Like I said, these are really, really small. So I did go over to Tailored Expressions because I saw Erica's video, who is Scrap Diva 29. Hey Erica. And she had shared a couple of dies that she had picked up. So when I ordered from Tailored Expressions, first it came super fast. They sent me this free little gift. So cute. To me, it kind of reminds me of like a piece of fruit, but it's a sweet little tag. So thank you for that. And then look what I got. It's called Sackett Unicorn. There is another unicorn that has 2 different unicorns, and then you can layer like this, but they were out. So I just got this one for now. It is kind of pricey, but you know me and unicorns. So it comes with all these pieces, like for the hair, and then the ears, and then the layering inside of the ears, and the little eyelashes. And I like how these eyelashes are different. Couple of stars, and then of course the horn. So it is a really good size, and that's what I was really happy with when I opened the package. If you guys want me to put this together really quickly, I will do that. Just leave that in the comments section below, and I cannot wait to play with that. And then I went over to Jamie's shop. Of course, many of you know she is the owner of Not2Shabby. And look how sweet this card is. So recently she had a 25% off, I think, for MFT items. So I took advantage because I do love MFT. So I did pick up some of these star replenishments, and these are like acrylic. And I don't know what they're meant to be used for, but like I said, I'm doing an embellishment kit. So stars, unicorns, awesome, and they're in rainbow color. I also picked up this star shaker window and frame. I do have star dies, but so much easier when it's cut to fit these replenishments, which is the star shaker pouches. So this will be awesome to play with, and I think I'm going to use this on some wands. I also picked up this dynamic set, and it's just 3 clouds, but I love that the stitching is on the inside and the outside. And this is called Stitched Clouds. So I was looking through my stash and realized I only have like a little tiny set of clouds. So I was glad that she had this in her store. And then the last thing that I got was this 6x6 stencil. And let me see, I think it's called Framework. Yeah, Framework. And I love MFT's stencils. They're super sturdy, and I just thought this would be a really fun background. Maybe even use my Nouveau mousse that I've yet to even open. So those are the items that I got from Jamie's shop. And of course it came in a super cute pink envelope. It's a bubble mailer. And then let me show you really quick from Tailored Expressions. So I love this color, and I got it on the same day that I got my Not Too Shabby order. So my mailbox was very colorful. And look at this cute little sticker. You've goat mail. I thought it was so cute, and I had to share that with you guys. So I will have the links below to Jamie's shop as well as Tailored Expressions if you guys want to go check it out. And I hope you guys liked my haul. I do have quite a bit more to share with you guys, but I will do that on another video. So it'll be Hobby Lobby, Michaels, and Joanne. So thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.